based on this JDK, right? So basically, based on whatever platform you are at, if you are using Windows, you have to select Windows. If you are using something else, if you have Mac, you can select Mac. So this is pretty much similar to other softwares. You get a exe file downloaded and you just have to run that exe file. So basically, if I can show you what gets downloaded. So I've downloaded version 12 for Java, as you could see here, and since it's Windows, it is mentioned as Windows. So this is nothing but an exe file that you get, which you could run, and you would have Java installed on your machine. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty much similar to other softwares you have. Say for example, or I could just show you the location where it is installed. So if you get into the program files, you can see Java being installed here, right? And it says JDK 12. So once you install Java, once you download this particular stuff, JDK, and once you install this executable, you should be able to see this Java folder in your program files. So it shows here. So you can select whatever you want to see. You have, as you could see here, there's Linux, there is Windows, Mac OS, and stuff like that. You have to select the platform you are on, and you should be good to go. This is done. You could see you get a exe which you have to run. So basically, to run Java, what you have to do is, so you go to the system, you have control panel system, you go here and you have to click on advanced system settings. Basically what we are trying to do is we are going to set environment variable, right? And what we are going to set is this path variable. So you have, if you want to put it specific to a particular user, you can put it here, put it in the upper space, or if you want it across the system, you could basically put the path variable here in the system variables. So once you install it, you have to make sure that you have this particular path being put in your path environment variable. So basically it tells the OS that you have executables within this particular directory. So once that is done, once you have this properly set up, let me open up PowerShell. So PowerShell is nothing but it's pretty much similar to command prompt, but it's a Linux flavor of it. So basically you could run Linux commands as well. Okay, so I'll once the system, give me a second. Okay, so with PowerShell you can do ls, which would give you listing. Unlike in command prompt, you have to give dir. So it's basically good for programming. So once you have this properly set, once you have this path properly set, if you write Java here, if you write Java on your command prompt, you should be able to see this help coming up here. So if it's not properly set up, you won't see this. It would give you unrecognized command. Yeah.